Here's a great deal on a 2020 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 30,000 miles. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.